Let's see this problem, basic calculator. Given a string S representing a valid expression, implement a basic calculator to evaluate it and return the result of the evaluation. Okay, here a string S has been given with valid expression, and we have to implement a calculator to evaluate it. Okay, you are not allowed to use any built-in function which evaluates a string as a mathematical expression such as evaluate. So here see, inside this string format now, value expression has been given. Like that 1 plus 1, so its value should be 2, but this is inside this string, so each are in character format. So this result is 2, like again 2 minus 1 plus 2, 3. So we will have to evaluate this one by not using any evaluate function. Let's see the explanation how we will evaluate this problem. Explanation, basic calculator. Here one string has been given and we have to evaluate this string. Actually in this string now only plus and minus symbol will be there. Either there will be addition or subtraction, or there will be brackets. So we have to solve this string. That means we have to find out its numeric value. What will be its numeric value? Just see here, 4 plus 5 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12 minus 3, 9. Its final value will be 9. So we have to calculate. How will we calculate if this is the string? This is not in numeric format now. So actually we can calculate this one using a stack. Let's see how we approach it. At first I will traverse inside this string, and for each symbol what we will do, see, at first we will go inside this string. We will traverse each character by character, 1, then plus, then opening bracket, then 4 plus 5 plus 2, then closing bracket, then minus, and then 3. So if any number comes, if any digit comes, there are what digits, and either opening bracket or closing bracket, or there is 2 symbol, minus and plus. Only these items can come. That means 4 items are there, either digit, opening bracket, closing bracket, or symbol, minus, plus. So in each case we have to approach what we will do. See first one, if digit comes, I just take, if that character is digit, then what should be our approach? Initially there is no sign before any digit, so we will consider sign is 1. That means this is positive sign, and I will store result, the value inside result, and I will take one numeric value. See, numeric value can be like this. If it is 21, I just take this one, 21. Okay, so I will go one digit by digit now, but here we have to take this number whole 21. So what will happen? I will go at first digit is 2, so this will be stored inside number. So this number will initially number value is 0. Like this, it will be stored in this format, number into 10 plus this digit. We will convert in integer format this digit, then we will add. So in this case, number will be first is 2, then number will be 2, because initially number value is 0 into 10 plus 2. Then again digit is coming 1. So in that case, this number will be 2 into 10 plus 1, 21. So your number will be stored. So if any digit comes, we have to just approach like this. We have to calculate the number value. Second is, if carriage, I just take opening bracket. Okay. No, I will move according to this one now. Just move like this. Now after 21 there is coming symbol. So if carriage in minus or plus. Okay. Because before symbol there can't be opening bracket. Either opening bracket will be just the starting symbol. So after 21 there is plus sign. So what should be our approach for this plus sign? We have to find out the value of result now. So here we will at first find out the result. What should be the value of result? See, we have the symbol of 21 positive. Okay. So before that we will have find out the value of result. See, if this plus there was like 2 plus 3, then we would have find out the value of 2 plus 3 before this plus symbol, and before this plus symbol we will store this value inside the result now, 2. So like this plus symbol 21 is there, so we will store this value inside a result. So this result will be result plus num into sign. Sign is 1 for positive, so if we multiply 1 there is no change, that means positive will be positive. So here result will be 21, because initially result was 0, so we can calculate number is 21 and sign is 1. And then we have find out the value of before whatever the symbol has come, 21 result, and now this plus symbol has come. Then we will update the sign value, then sign value will be updated accordingly. If plus symbol come, then it will be 1 for plus and minus 1 for minus symbol, and after that we will put num equal to 0, because for next value we will again calculate the num value for next digit, and we have stored inside the result previous value whatever has come. So this is for plus minus sign. Third is opening bracket. If char is this opening bracket. See, now here will be the approach of a stack. Before opening bracket, we have what we have calculated, result 21, and there is one plus sign. Okay. So what we will do, we will push those items inside this stack. And before what it's come, result, this is number, and then plus sign. So I will take one stack, and in that stack, I will append. First, I will append result, because a stack works in but last in first output order. So it will go first, then it will come last. Then we will append a stack dot append the sign, because sign we have to bring now before the result. Then we will append sign, okay. And after that, result value will be 0, because we have already pushed result value inside this stack, and sign value will also update with 1, like this. So this is the case for opening bracket. Fourth case is if this carries closing bracket. What we will do, see, till closing bracket we have calculated these values. Actually these values are inside a stack, and after opening bracket we have calculated 4 plus 5 plus 2 11. This value 11 we have calculated inside the result. See, now 4 goes num, then plus sign go, then result will be 4 and sign will be updated 1. Then again 5 will come, then num will be 5 and the result will be 9. Then again plus sign will go after 5, then sign will be 1. Then again num will go 2. So 4 plus 5 plus 2. Here we have updated what? This value has been updated as 9. And now sign is here 1 for plus and num is here 2. Actually this value has not been calculated now. So we will calculate here at first result value. Result value will be updated with whatever result previously plus num into sign. Because till 4 plus 5 has been updated inside this result. But plus sign has come, then sign has been updated with 1 and then num has come. Then this digit 2 has come, then num has been updated with 2. But again closing bracket has come. So before closing bracket we will have to calculate, we will have to update the value of result. Then whatever is inside this stack, we will have to calculate this with this one also, because this is closing bracket. So whatever is left side we will have to calculate all the values. So what we will do, we will pop from result here and we'll update inside this result value. So before we have pushed, see what we have pushed before, result then sign. So whatever has been pushed last, that will pop first. So at first it will pop sign value. Okay, so we will update at first sign value. So sign value will be updated by its symbol, and its symbol is either plus or minus 1. So for plus 1 it will be 1, for plus it will be 1, and for minus it will be minus. So we will update result value by multiplying with sign, result into a stack dot pop. See, this will pop sign and then it will pop result. So we will update it by adding the stack dot pop, a stack dot pop. This is previous result, a stack dot pop. Okay, see, till here it has processed. So 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 21. So 11 plus 21, 32. Now again minus sign has come. So is there something we will have to do after this? We have stored inside the value of result. Okay, num. After this we will put num equal to 0 also, no? Because the last value of num was 2, but then we have done closing bracket, so num value should be updated with 0. We will have to take care with num value. If there is any symbol, then we will put num value equal to 0 finally. If there is closing bracket also, then in that case also num value will be 0, because either we will proceed for new digit in that case. Again minus symbol has come, so we will process like sign will minus symbol has come, then previously result we have already updated here till closing bracket 32, not here, till here we have updated result equal to 32 till closing bracket. Then minus symbol will come, then num value is 0, then result will be again 32 and symbol sign will be updated with -1, and then this three digit will come, so num value will be 3. So finally, actually no one case is satisfying then, last digit is 2, so num will be 3. Here num value will be 3. So we will just return last output what we have to return. In that case return value should be result plus sign into num. Why I have done? Because sign value is also updated and last value is digit. So it has been also updated. But after last digit there is nothing. So when we will return, then we will just add inside this result plus sign into num. Okay. Let's see the code of basic calculator. How we will solve this one? I have already explained. At first I will take result. This will be 0. Num, this will also be 0, and sign, this will be 1. So 0, 0 and 1. Okay. Next, I will go inside this string for I in range. For I in range, this will be go till length of the string len s. Okay, and I will take here each character. So C will be si. Each character is there, and at first I will check if this is digit. If C dot each digit is a function. Okay. If C is a digit, then just update the value of num here. Num will be num into 10 plus int this C. Because this is not character, we will have to convert in integer. Then only we can add. Else if C is either plus or minus sign, so C in minus and plus. If C in minus or plus, then what we will do here? We will find out the value of result. Result will be plus num into sign. Whatever value we have calculated before of the num, and we will multiply with sign, and we will store inside this result. And we will update the value of sign because the plus or minus sign has come. So for plus 1 we will take 1, and for minus we will take minus 1. So sign equal to 1 if C equal to plus symbol, else minus 1, and then we will put the num of 0 because again new value of digit will come, so we will have to again calculate. Next it can be opening bracket, else if C equal to opening bracket. See, if C is there open bracket, then what we have to do? Whatever value has come before, we will have to push inside the stack result and symbol. So we will take here one stack also. We will append inside this stack. At first we will append the result because it will go before. So according to a stack property, first go, last come. Okay. Before it was last in first output. A stack dot append result. Then we will append sign, and then we will put result equal to 0 because we have already appended the value of result inside this stack, and sign will also be updated with 1 because this is opening bracket now. Just a new digit will come in that case because after opening bracket a digit will only come. Else if last case can be C equal to closing bracket. So if C is the closing bracket, in that case what will be? See, before closing bracket some expression I just take here for understanding. 2 plus 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, okay, and plus 2 like this. Okay. So see, after this 3 minus 3 will be stored inside this num. Again minus symbol will update sign with minus 1, and 4 will come, then it will store the value of num equal to 4. Then there is closing bracket. See, after 4 is closing bracket now, so here num equal to 4 and the symbol is minus 1. So we will have to at first calculate the value of result here. Yeah, I just put it upside. Okay, just put here, it's not going. Yeah, this is comment. So now we will calculate the value of result. So result will be result plus equal to num into sign. Whatever value of result we have previously, actually say previous result is 3, and so num into sign 1 in minus 1 into 4 minus 4. So 3 minus 4 minus 1 will be here. After that, whatever inside this stack, I will pop that one. So at first it will be popped sign because it has been pushed before. So sign we will multiply with result equal to whatever is popped. So a stack dot pop. We will multiply now because previously it has stored the value of sign, like 2 was the result and plus was the sign. So its value is inside this bracket minus 1 into 1 minus 1, and then it will add the value of previous result plus equal to a stack dot pop. So previous value of result is 2, 2, and plus it will add with -1. So its value will be 1. And after this, it will update the value of num equal to 0 again. Because after closing bracket this, see, again plus symbol will come. So this plus symbol will go up and update with result. And there is no num. We have already calculated total num value. This is 1. So here it will be updated with previous 1 plus num into sign, just 0. And sign will be updated with 1. Again, digit. So 2 will come and it will update the value of num equal to 2. But see, after 2, there is nothing. No? So we will go outside of this for loop and we have to return the value of final result. So we will return the value of result, but we will add here num into sign also. Because last digit has been not evaluated. Last digit has not been evaluated. So we will have to add here result plus num into sign. Okay. Now let's run this code. Okay, accepted. Submit. Okay, submitted. Thank you.